You're completely helpless. Everyone has to do everything for you.
Kevin, you're such a disease.
You're what the French call les incompetents.
What?
P.S. You have to sleep on the hide-a-bed with Fuller.
This house is so full of people. It makes me sick. When I grow up and get married, I'm living alone. Did you hear me? I'm living alone. I'm living alone. I'm living alone. Where's my bed?
There's no way on earth we're gonna make this plane. It leaves in 45 minutes.
Think positive, Frank.
Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind. Run, run, Rudolph, 'cause I'm reeling like a merry-go-round.
I made my family disappear.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
This is it. Don't get scared now.
Kevin!
Merry Christmas, sweetheart. Oh, Kevin, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.